I'm going to show you how you can easily use the Momondo app to book flights, hotels, and cars. First, open the App Store on your mobile device. Then search for Momondo flights, hotels, and cars in the search bar and tap on it. As you can see, it's an all-in-one travel app offering a wide range of services. You can compare flights from hundreds of sites, ensuring you get the best deal for your trip. With access to 3 million plus hotels and accommodations, you can easily find a place to stay that suits your needs. The app also offers car hire deals in over 70,000 plus locations, making it easy to rent a car wherever you're traveling. You can organize all your travel plans in one place, keeping everything neatly arranged and easy to access. Additionally, you can get notified about trip updates, such as flight delays or changes. The app allows you to discover destinations that fit your budget, helping you explore new places without breaking the bank. You can also track the status of any flight directly through the app, so you're always up to date. Scroll down and check the reviews to see how other users feel about the app. Finally, tap on Get to download and install it. Once it's installed, open the app and you can start using it to book your flights, hotels, and cars for your next trip.